Well, yes, first up, let's talk about Alkem Laboratories. The stock is locked in lower circuit of 10%. We are getting to know from our sources that Income Tax Department has found large-scale tax evasion. Sources are also telling us that company paid large amount to doctors for prescribing their drugs, and company has claimed bogus deductions to the tune of 1,000 crores on the back of the source-based news that we are getting. The stock is locked in lower circuit of 10%. Meanwhile, let's also talk about Glenmark Pharma. The stock is up 4%. This is on the back of a positive price target price of 1,090. They say debt problems are largely behind us. Generics business is doing well. US growth is expected to come back. So very positive report that has come in, and hence the stock is gaining in trade. Meanwhile, Rain Industries, on the back of very weak set of numbers that the company reported, is declining in trade. Remember, revenues declined nearly 25% on a year-on-year basis. In fact, on the bottom line, company has reported a loss this time around. EBITDA loss of over 600 crores versus EBITDA profit of 600 crores same time last year. This is on account of poor performance from company's two main products. The company, however, is optimistic with respect to the outlook. They say first quarter FY25 will be strong, but very weak set of numbers, and hence the stock is declining in trade today. Meanwhile, we also have two counters that are gaining on the back of order wins from Power Grid. One is transformers and rectifiers. The company has won orders worth 232 crores from Power Grid, and Skipper, meanwhile, on an order worth over 700 crores from Power Grid, is gaining nearly 5% today. Tips Industries, the board will be considering buyback in the meeting that is scheduled to happen on the 28th of February. Positive news flow, the stock is gaining 4%. And lastly, let's also talk about KIOCL. The stock is down nearly 3% after the company informed the exchanges that they have suspended operations of their Pellet Plant Unit in Mangalore. They also say that this is on account of market conditions, on account of weak market conditions. So negative news flow that has come in, and hence KIOCL is under pressure today.